all 2017 and up vehicles, we will need to retain an authorization code to access your ECU. To do this, take your AutoCal out to your car. To obtain your authorization code for 2017 and up vehicles, please insert the OBD2 port with the cable for the AutoCal. Hold the power button down for approximately 7 to 8 seconds. The car will go into accessory power mode. Scroll down where it says read E92 and hit OK. The error, money sign 0552, will come across the screen. This is correct. At this time, the code has been saved in your AutoCal. We will now transfer it and get you the authorization code you need. Go for it. Once you've attempted to read your 2017 vehicle, simply connect your AutoCal to your laptop or home computer. Click on the Scan and Tune icon. Make sure your AutoCal is connected with the green check. Click Tune. Click Authorization, at which point you will see your authorization code. This particular AutoCal has 4 in here, you should only see 1. Left click and copy this information. Send this information in an email to me and I will obtain your authorization code and email it back to you.